This is Michael. We are going to go ahead and walk through setting up a Shopify store and integrating it with Printful. It's going to be one of the most simple things that you do. So first thing you need to do is set up a trial. This is an actual trial. Once you do the full-blown thing, you just upload a credit card. So what we're going to go ahead and do is the goal is to create a clothing and accessory store that is fulfilled by a third party so that you can start making money and selling products without having to have a printer that you're communicating information to. Essentially, once you add your items to the printer, in this case it's called Printful, they will integrate directly with your Shopify store and take care of all of it for you. Once you create the products here in Printful, they will show up in your Shopify store, and then people can order directly from your Shopify store. The order goes directly to Printful, and Printful takes care of shipping and everything and deposits your cash to you. All right, we're gonna go ahead and integrate first. So we started setting up this store, right? It says you need to get ready to sell online, add a domain, customize your theme, add your products, whatever. We're gonna go directly to apps, and we're gonna click shop for apps because we're gonna look for Printful. Printful is actually a free app, which is pretty cool. Sometimes this will work doing it this way, or sometimes it'll work you having to actually do it through the Printful side. Okay, it's just a tech issue they have sometimes. So go ahead and click the Printful after you search for it. It's free. Click Printful, and then you click Add App. And then it is going to go ahead and ask you, are you okay with sharing this information? And for Printful to make the changes to your system, and you're going to say yes. So click Install App. Oh, let's click the Sign In button. Sign in with Google. And then it's going to ask, connect the store to the Octan's PR team at Gmail. I'm going to click yes. And then now it is going to add the Printful on demand directly to the store. And then if you notice here, it brings in the exact same thing, create a new product template as it would through Printful. You can go directly to Printful and start adding your stuff, which is great, or you can do it through here. I find it easier just to do it directly from here, okay? So you go to Printful and you're gonna create a product template to add to your actual store. And we are gonna go ahead and click this product template example. They give you a little bit of ideas, create or edit a template, pick a product or add a design. They have so many different products here if you don't know that already. They also have different files you can use, right? You can add products to the store or you can order them, right? So you can either create your first product template or you can use this. I'm gonna go ahead and use this one. We're gonna add it to the store, and it's gonna pull up the actual shirt, and you can choose the color, whatever you wanna do that you're gonna make available for these particular shirts. Here they've got this one. You can select all the sizes you want available. Doesn't mean you have to buy any of these. It's just what you're making available to the actual Shopify store when they go to order something. And then you're gonna say, okay, I've got this, I've got my print files. We can proceed to mockups now. Once you proceed to mockups, you're then gonna pick the front. You're gonna look at what the silver would look like as well. And back in the design is where you can, let's click on it real quick. You can actually edit your print files, right? So once you have a design, click Edit Print Files, and you can see this picture. And we can move this picture up and down using the arrow keys or our mouse. We can do whatever. You can also go in and design other things, add text, choose a file, upload it, add clip art, whatever. And then once you're done, you proceed to mockups, right? You can look at the back of the shirt, what it looks like. You can drop a logo there if you want, outside. Each one of these places you put something is going to cost you more for the shirt, right? Which is going to transfer out to your actual users as what they're going to need to pay as well at the end. So we're going to proceed to mockups, and then they're going to show you what the mockups look like across all the different shirts that you may have or may have not picked, right? So women's mockup, couples mockup, men's mockup, women's mockup 2, men's lifestyle, all of those you can choose, and then proceed to details. And then you can add your details here. We're just going to call this example short sleeve unisex t-shirt. You can add your own description. These come directly from the store. This is what the manufacturer of the shirt actually suggests so that they get all the details. And then you can look at the sizes here, and then you can tag it if you want to. Product visibility, publish this product, be visible on your online store. Okay, if you don't want it immediately, don't click publish. And then display my product with free shipping if that's what you're wanting to do. Proceed here to pricing, and then you're going to be able to set your pricing, right? You can change this to euros or dollars or whatnot, and do that. You can set your price down, up, whatever you want to, and then it will show you the profit, right? The shirt costs $12.95. You want to sell it, so you probably want to sell it for $16.99 or something like that. Make $3 off it or something, or you decide what you want, right? I mean, it's up to you. The world is your playground, so you do whatever you want to. And then you can see the margin you can make. We'll leave that one at 42, and then submit to the store. So then it's going to add the new products to the store automatically, right? So then what we're going to be able to do is if we click here, we click stores, you see Octan's Crypto. Let's go ahead and view the store real quick. And it's going to show that example short sleeve unisex shirt that we just showed there as well, right? And then we can also go and view in Shopify here, and it'll take us directly to what the store looks like with the catalog item ready to go. So now people can pick all their sizes and orders and add to the cart and buy it now. And this also integrates directly with your Apple Pay if you want to as well, so they can pay directly from the phone without ever leaving the experience.